Today I am hosting my annual Spring Easter Fireplace Decor Challenge. And my co-host for this challenge is the same one who I ask every year because I love her style. It's Shushana at All Things Shushana. Now, if you're not familiar with her channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description. Now, let's jump right into this video.
Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Send it Don't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Bum, 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 bum.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better
And then the
days.
garland you see running across look like wild weeds, which I wanted to look like. They came from Hobby Lobby a few years back. I wanted to look like outside in the field, so that's the look that I was going for. Now the greenery that's hanging on the ends of the fireplace or the mantle, those were purchased at the Dollar Tree. There's one on each end. Now the wooden lantern, I purchased it at a store called Dirt Cheap years ago, and I have two of them to be exact. Now the little 3 white rabbits there, those little rabbits, there's one there, one at the back, and the one in front. I purchased those at Goodwill a while back. I've had those for a while waiting for Easter to come. Now the silver candlestick holders, I cannot for life of me remember where I got them from. They're probably thrifted. I've had them for years. And then the tapered candles came from Amazon. They are a sage green in color. And then here's my favorite rabbit. He was thrifted years ago from Goodwill. Now here is my DIY version of the square wreath that I saw. And I made that out of pieces that I had left over in my collection. Now, as you know, we required a cross in this collaboration. So here is my cross. If you know me, you know I like things that I can see through. And when I saw this cross at my parents' house, to be exact, I thought it would be perfect to put on my mantle. Now, this water pitcher, I've had it for years. I purchased it off of eBay years ago. And I added to the peonies, the green and the cream peonies. Now that bushel came from that bushel came from Amazon years ago when I did the green in another setting for a spring, I believe I did. So everything on this mantle that you see that I used today, I already had in my collection. The only thing that I purchased new were the sage green candles. And then the square wreath was a DIY, and I already had that stuff in my collection in the garage in my scraps. So let me know what you think of my spring Easter mantle this year. I want to keep it very simple and cost free. Let me know down below what you think, and don't forget to check out the playlist down below and check out the other participants that participated in this collaboration. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.